Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to review the Aroma Magic Under Eye Gel. So let's get started. But before that, if you guys are interested in watching how I did this makeup look, then I will provide the link of the makeup tutorial in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. And now let's just get started with the video. It is priced at rupees 195 and the quantity you get is 20 grams. It comes in this cardboard box and the actual product comes in this squeezy tube packaging. And this is free from parabens, artificial color and fragrance. The color of this product is transparent and it has gel-like consistency. When I apply this onto my under eyes, it gives cooling effect. It gets absorbed onto the under eye area quickly. It provides hydration to the under eye area. It feels really lightweight and it settles down into a matte finish. It has a mild fragrance. My under eye area is not dry. It is pretty normal. And this product gives hydration to my under eyes. So if you have dry under eyes, then this product might not give enough hydration to your under eyes. I don't have very vibrant dark circles, so I cannot tell you whether it lightens your dark circles or not. One more thing, my sister likes to apply this onto her acne marks, and she felt that her acne marks are fading because of this product. So you guys can also try this product as a acne lightening gel. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.